Biochemistry. Biochemistry is a rapidly growing field that combines principles from chemistry, biology, and physics to understand the chemical and physical processes that occur in living organisms. The study of biochemistry is critical to advancing our understanding of fundamental biological processes, as well as to developing new treatments for a wide range of diseases and conditions. One important area of biochemistry is the study of enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that catalyze chemical reactions in living organisms, and they play a critical role in metabolism, digestion, and other important biological processes. Biochemists study the structure and function of enzymes, as well as the mechanisms by which enzymes catalyze chemical reactions. Another important area of biochemistry is the study of proteins. Proteins are complex molecules that perform a wide range of functions in living organisms, including structural support, transport, and signaling. Biochemists study the structure and function of proteins, as well as the mechanisms by which they interact with other molecules in the body. Biochemistry also plays a critical role in the development of new drugs and therapies. By understanding the molecular mechanisms of disease, biochemists can design and optimize molecules that can selectively interact with biological targets, such as enzymes or proteins, to treat or prevent disease. One example of the importance of biochemistry in drug development is the development of cancer. Treatments that target specific proteins involved in the growth and spread of cancer cells. Biochemists study the structure and function of these proteins, as well as the signaling pathways that regulate their activity, in order to design molecules that can selectively target and inhibit them. In addition to drug development, biochemistry also has important applications in the field of biotechnology. For example, biochemists can use recombinant DNA technology to produce large quantities of proteins for use in research and medicine. Biochemistry is also important in the study of genetics and genomics. Biochemists study the structure and function of DNA and RNA, as well as the mechanisms by which genes are regulated and expressed. This information is critical for understanding the genetic basis of disease, as well as for developing new diagnostic and therapeutic tools. Biochemistry also plays a critical role in the study of nutrition and metabolism. Biochemists study the chemical processes by which nutrients are converted into energy and other biological molecules, as well as the mechanisms by which nutrients are transported and stored in the body. This information is critical for understanding the links between nutrition, metabolism, and disease, as well as for developing new strategies for preventing and treating metabolic disorders, such as diabetes and obesity. Biochemistry is also important in the study of infectious diseases. Biochemists study the molecular mechanisms by which pathogens,